Hey my people, good morning. Good morning. So it's early morning. I think it's about 9 a.m. and we are up. I'm all dressed. I had my shower. I had my morning exercise, about 40 minutes, and I'm all feeling super really active and strong. And we are about to start our day. I just wanted you guys to come along and see how we spend a day in the life of a new mom of one. So here is my baby girl. She's here. She's awake too. So say hello, mama. There we go. Mama, look up. Look up. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Rise and shine. Let me get you ready. She's not gonna have a shower this morning because it's a bit cold. She'll have a shower at night. Yogurt, Greek yogurt, fruit, nuts, and granola. Hi everybody! Hi everybody! I'm having a morning nap now, and I'm actually finishing up my breaky. Yesterday was like Mother's Day, so I have this really cute, beautiful, and thoughtful gift from my friend. Look, okay. I already unboxed it. I just wanted to show you guys the gift that I got. So you love food too much. Okay. My creamy pasta. So I have my cream already here. I have my cheese. I have my shrimp and prawns. I have my pepper. And I have my penne or penne pasta. Penne pasta. So look.
I know that I can make it clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the bitches on replay. Sit right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear I keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my highest from my rocket now. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you.
Done for the night, and I'm gonna grab my water, and that's it for her daily life. Sometimes we have this kind of daily, schedules or daily activity. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy our vlog, and until then I'm gonna see you guys in our next video or next vlog. All right guys, stay blessed. Bye bye.